guys, this is Dragplayer 3.9. Today we are playing this game again. Will you press the button? And yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so the first question says you can be with any you want to be given a minimum of time. You only spend 10 minutes with them after the time. Alright, I'll forget about the conversation, so alright. You get fully function portal gun. Every time you fire it, but a black hole responsibly placed somewhere in our galaxy. No! Yeah, what? Oh, so it's a draw.
Come on, a six-pack?
Just don't listen to the video again. Bad. You can make the next 3 Star Wars film about you with actor director. Jar Jar Binks must be the main character and cannot be killed off. She ought to be at least 70% of the moon. No, I don't like Jar Jar Binks. Binks. He always falls over and looks ugly. Bad one. Right. You can move things with your mind and control people. You have what is that? I will not. Because I think that's a disease or something. No. Alright. You survive the apocalypse and will take... Oh, there's a spider. Oh, guys, there's a spider. Oh, no. There's a spider. There's a spider. Look at the spider. The spider. Let's set it free. Fortunately, guys, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, punch the like button or just click it. Follow me on Twitter and Tumblr and Instagram and subscribe and goodbye. I know you might think what I am, a scaredy cat. No, it's just, it's been 2 minutes and I've been wasting my time because I've been doing this video 5 times and it's got ruined, so yeah, and I'm not spending my time anymore. So anyways, if you like to do stuff and then so goodbye. Like a Bosch.